I'm going to take a look at how to change the chain on a Remington Ranger pole saw. Remington Ranger pole saw. Look at this chain right here. You can see it is just completely trashed and clear that it is in no shape for cutting anymore. So use this hard several times, and maybe some jobs it was maybe a little overmatched with a little bit, but it did the best it could. I cut everything, but the chain took a beating. So I've gotten a lot of good use out of it. It was pole saw, Remington pole saw here. It's got an extender pole, you can see. So it's a really good little saw, but the chain is just toast. So let's see if we can change this. I got a 10-inch chain off of Amazon here from Oregon company, and it's supposed to fit this. So let's see if we can get it to work. Alright, so we're going to have to get this cover off of here to get to the chain behind here. To take one chain off, put the other one on. So turn it over, and I'm going to start unscrewing here to get this little cover off right here. Okay, these right here on this side, you're able to put a Phillips head screwdriver right down in these holes, and you can feel it loosening up in there. So it's going to be pretty simple, it looks like. Again, we're trying to get this covering off of here so we can get to the back of the chain bar right here. Alright, we just got them all unscrewed. I'm going to pull this off of here. Look at the mess we got under here. So we're definitely going to get all this cleaned out. Get this stuff cleaned out. And then there's the back of the chain right here. So we're off to a good start here. Get all this stuff pulled out of here. Probably a good idea to do this even when the chain is not messed up, just to clean it up some so it'll work better. A lot of stuff caught in here, as you can see. So what we're going to do is going to loosen these bolts, or these nuts right here. That'll let the bar pull back some, and then we can have the slack here in order to pull the chain off of here, and we'll slide another one on top of this. Alright, get these bolts loosened up here with a small wrench. Loosen out a little bit more. Alright, you don't have to take them all the way off, you don't want to lose the nuts. But now, with the bar loose, you can see you can push it back here, just kind of hitting on the end of it. Now look, you can see the slack in the chain. You should be able to pop this old chain off now. This thing is toast, man, I'm telling you. I was trying to cut with this, and there we go. Great. That's not too bad at all, but look at that thing. Look how messed up it was. Alright, definitely needed a new chain. There was just about nothing left on this thing. Wow. Alright. Alright, so we're going to open this package here and slide this new one on top of here. Alright, we're sliding the new chain that I got on into the little grooves here. Keep in mind the chain has got a little bit of oil on it, so you may need to have a little rag handy to dry your hands off from the oil. I'll go ahead and pull it tight a little bit here in a second. Alright. Hold it out a little bit, take out the slack, and looks like it's in the grooves all the way. son's out here helping me. Alright, I think that looks tight. That should spin around okay. Alright, so now all we got to do is tighten up these nuts right here. Tighten these two nuts. Make sure we got it tight. It looks like it's in all the little grooves all the way around. Looks like it should work. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Looks like it's in good shape. Make sure this is tight, because this thing takes a beating up there when you start cutting and using it, but it does a good job. We've cut a whole bunch of stuff with it. You can see one of my other videos on my channel where we first got it and first used it. We had a huge piles of branches that we cut. Alright, I think that's pretty tight. Let's get the cover back on. Again, this is just a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten it back up. It was a little difficult to find the replacement chain. Apparently Remington doesn't sell replacement chains on their own. That's why I got this other brand that supposedly fits that I found finally. Remington wants you to bring it to an authorized service dealer, and I didn't have any authorized service dealers within 100 miles apparently of my home. So, what are you going to do? You're going to have to do it yourself, right? Alright, this one here, I came from the other side on this one. So, let me go back on the underside here. Screw this one back in. So, it's not hard to do. You don't need to bring it to a service dealer. You can see, it's pretty simple. And have this tool work like it was intended to. But keep an eye on that chain there. That big difference in the performance of it with that chain. It's trash like it was. So, all right, we should be good to go. Stop it. All right, we got the chain, the new chain on the Remington pole saw replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that it works. Alright, so it is dangerous. You got to be careful. By the way, your pole saw should come with a cardboard cover over the chain. Do not discard. Right there, see that? And when you're done and you store this in your garage or wherever you're putting it, you just slide that back over the top to keep the chain safe. Alright, so you can see this chain's ready to go. We can definitely go put it to good use out here in my yard with all these trees. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Also, if you need a chain for your Remington pole saw, I do have a link to this replacement chain that I purchased for mine. I have that link in the description here, so you just use that link and that you can get that same chain that I've gotten here. Alright, go ahead.